This is the national flag of Pakistan. And markhor is the national animal of Pakistan. This is a national flag of Australia. And kangaroo is the national animal of Australia. This is a national flag of Canada. And beaver is the national animal of Canada. This is a flag of United States. And bald eagle is the national animal of United States. This is the flag of India. And Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. Look at the flag of China. And giant panda is the national animal of China. It's a flag of Russia. Brown bear is the national animal of Russia. It's a South African flag. Springbok is the national animal of South Africa. It's a Brazilian flag. Jaguar is a national animal of Brazil. It's a flag of Mexico. And golden eagle is a national animal of Mexico. It's a flag of France. And garlic roaster is the national animal of France. It's a flag of Germany. An eagle is the national animal of Germany. This is the flag of Spain. And bull is the national animal of Spain. It's an Italian flag. An Italian wolf is the national animal of Italy. It's a flag of Argentina. And Rufus hornero is a national animal of Argentina. It's an Egyptian flag. And steppe eagle is a national animal of Egypt. This is the flag of Kenya. A lion is a national animal of Kenya. This is the flag of Nigeria. An eagle is a national flag of Nigeria. This is the flag of Norway. And Eurasian elk is a national animal of Norway. This is the flag of Sweden. And Eurasian elk is a national animal of Sweden. This is the flag of Finland. And brown bear is a national animal of Finland. It's a flag of Iceland. And gyre falcon is a national animal of Iceland. It's a flag of Greece. And dolphin is a national animal of Greece. It's a flag of Turkey. And grey wolf is a national animal of Turkey. It's a flag of Iran. An Asiatic cheetah is a national animal of Iran. It's a flag of Bangladesh. And Royal Bengal tiger is a national animal of Bangladesh. It's a flag of Thailand. Thai elephant is a national animal of Thailand. It's a flag of Vietnam. And water buffalo is a national animal of Vietnam. It's a flag of South Korea. And Siberian tiger is a national animal of South Korea. It's a flag of Philippines. carabao is a national animal of Philippines. It's a flag of Indonesia. And Komodo dragon is a national animal of Indonesia. It's a flag of New Zealand. And kiwi is a national animal of New Zealand. It's a flag of Fiji. And Fiji crested iguana is a national animal of Fiji. It's a flag of Jamaica. And hummingbird is a national animal of Jamaica. It's a flag of Cuba. And Cuban crocodile is a national animal of Cuba. It's a flag of Peru. And vicuña is a national animal of Peru. It's a flag of Colombia. Indian condor is a national animal of Colombia. It's a flag of Denmark. And mute swan is a national animal of Denmark. It's a flag of Egypt. An Egyptian cobra is a national animal of Egypt. It's a flag of Ireland. And deer is a national animal of Ireland, red deer. It's a flag of Nepal. And cow is a national animal of Nepal. It's a flag of Poland. And white-tailed eagle is a national animal of Poland. It's a flag of Portugal. And Iberian lynx is a national animal of Portugal. It's a flag of Switzerland. And alpine ibex is a national animal of Switzerland. It's a flag of Ukraine. And European bison is a national animal of Ukraine. Subscribe for more educational videos. Have a good day. Bye-bye.